Last week on the Stihl 6-week spring garden transformation, we took on the lawn. We trimmed, we blew, and we mowed our yard's greatest asset.
Hi everyone, Michael and Carleen here. We are at the final week of the Stihl 6-week garden transformation. So far, we've cleared, pruned and shaped the trees. We've trimmed back and cleaned up the hedges. We've improved the soil, added some new plants, rejuvenated the lawn before giving it a mow, and sharpened those edges. The garden is looking amazing, and it's actually been really simple to follow the 6-week plan, hasn't it?
Well, it sure has, although we had a lot of help from some quality Stihl garden power tools, some of which I didn't even know existed. And of course, the expert advice from Darren Kerr, who's guided us through each week. Darren, mate, the place is looking pretty good. What's left to do?
This week is all about the finishing touches, so we get the whole garden into shape and really make it shine. We'll start off with a tidy up using the Stihl blower and combi system, and then give it all a good clean with the Stihl pressure cleaners.
Well, let's get started. These Stihl battery powered blowers are so easy to use. Just attach the button and away you go. Boasting an impressive 194 kilometres an hour maximum airspeed and enough battery life to clear over 2.5 tennis courts of dry leaves, this blower might be compact in size, but it's definitely not compact in performance. And if that's not enough, the battery is compatible with 6 other garden tools, including a hedge trimmer, lawnmowers and chainsaws.
Once again, we've got the right tools for the job. The Stihl combi system has 13 different attachments ranging from the grass trimmer, the blower, the edger and my favourite, the bristle brush, which actually makes sweeping up quite fun. Each attachment slides into the combi motor easily and is secured via a quick release coupling system. This multitasking tool features a low emissions Stihl engine that delivers both power and fuel efficiency. And thanks to the easy to start system, the only thing standing between you and your day is an easy pull of the starter cord.
Alright, so once your hard surfaces are cleared of debris, the Stihl pressure cleaner is perfect to add finishing touches to your driveway, your stone wall, entrance pathway, even your pots.
This thing looks awesome. I'm going to give it a crack. Stihl high pressure cleaners are packed full of great features to make cleaning up a breeze. This particular model comes with both a rotary nozzle for removing stub and dirt on hard surfaces and a fan jet nozzle suitable for cleaning your car, the barbecue, or even your roof or facades.
The whole garden has been transformed into something we can truly be proud of using quality Stihl garden power tools.
It really does look amazing. Darren, thanks for all your help.
No worries, mate.
I have loved using the new range of Stihl battery product and their new state-of-the-art mower.
And I couldn't believe the power of the battery chainsaw. However, the long reach head trimmer was also pretty impressive.
From an expert's point of view, you can see why I only use Stihl power tools. They've been so well engineered that the bulk of the effort is done by the tool, which makes the job easier and quicker for you.
Well, that's the end of our Stihl 6-week garden transformation. All I can say is amazing. Our garden has been transformed, ready for entertaining and for the warmer months.
Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck with your own garden transformations. All of the project guides can be found at stihl.com.au, and for some quality Stihl garden power tools, pop into your local Stihl specialist.